Welcome to TechTopiaX, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. If you're looking for a dependable garage door opener that focuses on proven performance and smart connectivity, the LiftMaster 8365W Premium Series is definitely worth a closer look. Designed as the replacement for the popular LiftMaster 3265, this model combines a rugged chain drive system with built-in Wi-Fi and smart home functionality. But is this garage door opener really worth buying? What do the numbers actually mean in everyday use? And why has it remained such a trusted choice for homeowners? At the heart of the LiftMaster 8365W is a half-horsepower AC motor paired with a full chain drive system. The motor operates at approximately 1,625 revolutions per minute and delivers reliable lifting power for most standard residential sectional garage doors. Unlike belt-driven systems that prioritize ultra-quiet operation, the heavy-duty chain drive is built for long-lasting durability and dependable performance over years of daily use. This opener also comes with integrated Wi-Fi technology, allowing you to connect it to the Mic smartphone app. Once connected, you can monitor your garage door, open or close it remotely, receive activity notifications, and check whether the door is open or closed, all from your smartphone. Built-in Mic diagnostics also helps monitor system status and simplifies maintenance. Performance-wise, the opener moves the garage door at approximately 7 inches per second, providing smooth and consistent operation. It operates on standard 120-volt household power, draws about 6 amps, and consumes roughly 540 watts during operation. The opener also features automatic force adjustment and electronic travel limits, helping it adapt to changing door conditions without requiring constant manual adjustments. Security is another area where this model performs well. It uses LiftMaster Security Plus 2.0 technology with tri-band radio frequencies to provide encrypted communication between the opener and compatible remote controls. This rolling code technology helps prevent unauthorized access while maintaining reliable remote operation with an approximate range of up to 200 feet under typical conditions. Installation flexibility is another advantage. The standard configuration is designed for 7-foot garage doors, while optional rail extensions allow compatibility with doors up to 10 feet high. This particular version is sold without the rail assembly, making it an ideal replacement head unit for homeowners who already have a compatible LiftMaster rail system installed. The motor head weighs approximately 22 pounds, while the complete rail assembly typically adds another 20 pounds when purchased separately. Reliability has always been one of the highlights of this model. LiftMaster backs the motor with a lifetime warranty, while the parts, chain, and included accessories carry 1-year warranties. That combination reflects confidence in the long-term durability of the drive system and motor. So why has the LiftMaster 8365W remained such a popular choice? It combines durable chain drive construction, proven lifting performance, built-in Wi-Fi convenience, secure wireless communication, and smart garage monitoring into a dependable package that continues the reputation established by the earlier LiftMaster 3265. Thanks for watching TechTopiaX. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.